Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of New Travel Vlogs. And just as Disney ends their fireworks with a grand finale, this is our grand finale to the Disneyland Paris series. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rides. And if you're not already subscribed, just click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so you get reminders on future videos. And if you're using your computer, you can actually click right on the screen at the little subscribe button on the bottom corner. So join us as we go through a curious labyrinth, see what's up with Snow White and her prince, and go on a Star Wars / steampunk journey, visit some Caribbean dudes, and listen to the full-length version of It's a Small World After All. Just kidding. I kid.
Ooh! We can stay here if it rains.
I don't think you're gonna be able to.
Which way? I don't know. Which way? That way. What way? Over. Where you want to go? Does that open? No.
So because of some rain in our forecast, we decided to wrap up this outdoor journey and head into a more safe indoor environment. Although I don't know how safe this environment is because we're about to see the Witch of Snow White. So guys, by now you know I love my Disney rides, but what is up with Snow White's eye? Can someone tell me? And second of all, what is up with Prince Charming? Why does he look so creepy? Oh, I just had to say something. Heading into Discoveryland, which is Paris's version of Tomorrowland.
Wow, that's so weird. It's like, it's familiar but different. Whoop whoop! Hyperspace Mountain! Yeah. Let's do this. Tomorrowland is like, it's like a steampunk theme that they have here. Steampunk Tomorrowland. After riding it, that's the tube that you're shot out of. Like kind of like the Hulk in a quick shot, and you're catapulted, and then you slow down once you enter inside. So it wasn't bad. It was kind of like Space Mountain with rock and roller coaster. So that was cool.
So right next door to Hyperspace Mountain is the Mysteries of the Nautilus. This attraction is a walk-through attraction, and it's supposed to depict the submarine of 20,000 leagues under the sea. So now we head back into Adventureland and over to the Pirates of the Caribbean. This version is definitely bigger and better than the one at home. It has a play area for smaller kids, an awesome cave in the shape of a skull you can explore, a pirate ship with a show, and it is just so much more immersive.
This one is so much more grand than the one at home.
One thing you might notice about this redhead is that she does not speak like the one at Magic Kingdom. So we go from one of the absolute best rides at Disney, which is Pirates of the Caribbean, to one of the absolute, wait for it, worst rides I have ever been on at any of the Disney parks, and that is Indiana Jones. This ride was so rough that it was very hard to enjoy, and you are almost guaranteed to leave with a big headache, just as these three left without their heads.
World of Disney is so tiny. You know how much hair?
Downtown Disney at Disneyland Paris is definitely a lot smaller than Disney Springs at home. However, there's a couple of similarities in the fact that they have a movie theater like they do at home, which is AMC. This one is a little bit different. They do have the shops, they do have the restaurants, and they also even have a Wild West show, which is definitely influenced by the American Wild West. There's even a smaller version of Planet Hollywood. I think they shrunk this one down for some reason. So I know I promised I wasn't going to show you the full-length version of It's a Small World, but I couldn't help but to show you this version. Can you say remix?